I just received these Lasfit floor mats and I'm going to be unboxing and we're going to see how they look. I'm taking out the Tacoma TRD mats. As you can see, they don't quite cover everything, so we're going to see how the Lasfit fit in here. And here we go. We will remove the floor mats that came with my new Tacoma, and let's see if there's any difference in size, which obviously is quite a bit of difference with the front driver's mat. And let's stick that in. So here we go, installing the driver's floor mat, and line up some of the tabs. Oh, that went in there pretty easily. So yeah, it goes all the way over the edge and actually comes up. The other mat probably came to about right in here, and then also goes over top of the place on the left there. Looks good. I'm gonna have to sweep under that in a little bit because obviously the other mat did not hold up quite as well. Alright, so here's the passenger's mat. Not great coverage. I'm sure the other mat's going to cover up over this as well. And then the side here, you can see there's quite a bit of side there. I'll remove that. Here it is, the passenger side on top of the Lasfit. Not quite as bad as the other one, but still it is. The mat that came with the truck is smaller than the Lasfit mat. Right, so I'm going to install the Lasfit mat and those in there with the tabs. It even tells you right there where it actually goes. So it's much more coverage. Again, the other one did not cover this area here, nor up the side. So it's much better coverage. They look really nice. The last mats are the back ones. Obviously they're both small and much smaller than the Lasfit mat, and it doesn't have the center piece either. The other side, again, pretty small. And again, here's the other side, so much smaller. As you can see, the sides here and the front, and then the side here, which is great. Let's install it. Okay, putting the last mats in and slide that in there. I'm actually gonna go around the other side and do the rest of that, but this one, yeah, that's great. Right up to the edge here as well. And this, the other mat did not go up into this. It cut off about right here, so it didn't go up into there. Let's go to the other side. Here's the other side. Same thing. I'm gonna push this down. There we go. And yeah, those are great. Those fit very well. There's a little bit of puff right there, but that'll settle as time goes on. So yeah, they look really well. They look great.